Hello students. Are you struggling to master hydrocarbons in your chemistry syllabus? Look no further. Here are the handwritten notes for the hydrocarbons chapter, specially prepared by Pankaj Sir, one of the most trusted teachers for NEET and JEE aspirants. These notes are designed to make your preparation easier and faster. They cover heavy checkmark alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes explained step by step. Heavy checkmark reactions, mechanisms, and shortcuts simplified. Heavy checkmark important cert points highlighted for quick revision. Whether you're preparing for Class 11th Chemistry, JEE, or NEET 2025, these notes will give you a solid edge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to stay updated with more such amazing content. Inbox tray, download the notes now, link in the description. Get ready to ace your exams. Let's make chemistry simple and fun with Pankaj Sir's handwritten notes.